Namaste, hey hi traders, welcome to Nifty Analysis. I'm Raksha Soni from Nifty Analysis and welcome to Bhumi Parivar. Well, I hope you guys might be enjoying the list of the stocks which I have been sharing since few days, and you might have been making good profits because most of the stocks have actually hit our targets and it's going the way we are actually analyzing it. Well, I always suggest you to keep your assets very tight because of this volatile market. Well, today I'm not here with the stocks list because I have something very interesting to share with you and which will help you in a very longer term. For a change, I'll just share the name of the stocks on my Twitter ID. So if you're interested in that, please follow my Twitter ID, and I'll just share that handle on in a description box downside. So let's start with what I have for you today to present. I have something which I have been using since a very long time as a part of my technical analysis, as a part of the the levels which I actually achieve by doing the calculation part and all. In that, the most important part is a long candle. Now, what exactly these levels are? These levels are a very unknown and ignored support and resistance levels. Well, you all might have been using the support and resistance levels like the highs and the lows here, but a um, very rarely known support and resistance is hidden in this long candle here. Well, long candle scares you, right? But it always have a gift within it. These long candles are helpful for determining very strong resistance and support levels. And if you are trading on a intraday, you can go for a daily time frame or a higher time frame to check that till how long, till what extent the price might go up or go down, and it'll help you to give you a very strong support and resistance. And by stressing the word strong, I literally mean it's very important one. So while scrolling for a perfect example for you guys to make you understand, I got on Zeal, and in that I have example of both support and resistance at the same time frame here. Here I am using daily chart, and I'll show you how I calculate it personally and how I actually make the note of these levels live here, and I hope this will help you for your longer term analysis for sure. So this is a long candle here. What I do is I take the median, I take the mean of these lines, this long candle. And how do I do that? I'll just show you right away. I just put my cursor here for the OHLC, that means the open, high, low, close. What I do first is I add open and close divided by 2. So here open is 310 plus 271.60 divided by 2. So that is 290.80. So let me put a price here at 290.80. 290.80. Okay, then I have one more. I'll just turn it to black so it will be very visible for you guys. Now again, the next calculation what I do is high plus low divided by 2. That is 312 plus 267.15 divided by 2. That is 289.575 or 289.60 if I round it off. So I'll just put one more here. That is 289.60. Okay, so here is it. See, did you see the way it is actually reacting at this level? And this shows that this downtrend is still in continuation because it has not breached it. So if you are in low and you're looking for another entry for a short side, because it's if you want to go for a short entry here, your SL, you will typically put an SL here, but now your SL and your risk is minimized, because if the price breaks this resistance, it will go up, it will change of the direction here. So this is a continuation of direction. Now let me tell you, that was the resistance. Let me show you an example of support. Here is another candle of a buy. Okay, so we'll do the same calculation here again. Let me get it done for you. So I'll just put my cursor here for the OHLC data. I'll add open, that is 261.75 plus close 309.50 divided by 2, and that comes to be 285.625, or I'll put it as 285.60. So I'll put a line here, 285.60. Okay, now going for the next calculation, that is high plus low divided by 2, that is 314.50 plus 261.05 divided by 2, and that comes out to be 287.775, and I'll round it off as 287.80. so let it 287.80, right? So now here you see the support it has given. There was a false breakout here, but there is always okay, this also allows me to share one more point of a valid breakout. Now what exactly has happened here is, there was a breakout, but it was not a valid breakout. The reason is, for a valid breakout there must be at least 50% of the candle should be in the breakout zone. Just like here, this, it's almost 100%, right? This is also not a valid breakout, because if you put the lower line, it is not the 50%, it's less than 50% of this candle. This is also less than 50% of the candle. So see, this is a valid breakout. So in this video, I got 2 points for you. First is the support and resistance, and now this is a breakout. What is a valid breakout? So can you see how beautifully it is behaving with this resistance and support line now? So for a sell, it acts as a resistance here. For buy, it acts as a support here. I want you guys to go and check for these kinds of long candles. You can go for any time frame. It depends on what kind of trader you are. Are you an intraday trader, you are a scalper, or you are a long-term trader? It will work in any time frame. And please don't forget to share your experience here in the comment section. I would love to hear what you guys have in your bag here. And thank you so much for being here. I hope this might help you and will help you in your coming analysis, in the journey of your trading and the journey of your technical analysis. Thank you so much here, and don't forget to join our free webinar. We always have our Bhumi. If you're interested in Bhumi, and I would suggest you to at least join and just check it once, because it's so beautiful and people are making so much of profit with our Bhumi in Bhumi tool here. It's an expert opinion for you guys. So just come check it and keep following our Twitter handles for amazing stuff we have for you guys. Thank you so much. And last but not the least, don't forget to like and subscribe for our channel. And thank you so much for being here, guys. Good night. Bye bye.